The following is a brief look at the Sierra desktop application to highlight some of the key differences and similarities from Millennium. Note that both an updated version of the desktop client and a web version, dubbed Sierra Anywhere, are due for release by the end of the year. Click the desktop icon to launch. Sierra uses only a single login, which acts as a hybrid of the Millennium branch login and an individual staff member's initials. Once you arrive at this screen, just key your credentials and click the Login button. Much of Sierra's layout is very similar to Millennium. This was done intentionally to facilitate an easy transition. There is a new, underlying architecture that allows for more functionality, but most actions and tools currently work as they do in Millennium, with some notable exceptions. The Millennium client had separate modules for each of its functional areas, such as circulation and serials. Now, in Sierra, staff can access all the different aspects of its various modules in one unified application and easily move between functions such as circulation, unfilled pages mode, delete records, or notices mode using the drop-down menu. The list of functions available through the drop-down menu will vary by login based on authorizations assigned to the user. You have already seen the record browse and how the Sierra search differs so significantly from that of Millennium with its facets and additional search options. The record summary screen, where you might attach or delete an item record, is by contrast very similar to what staff are used to seeing in Millennium. The most notable difference being Millennium's horizontal row of tabs is a vertical stack of tabs in Sierra. All the Millennium functionality staff are used to, such as the ability to place a hold from the search results screen, is preserved in Sierra. Sierra's individualized logins will also allow staff the ability to customize their display in terms of font size and color. To check out an item or access a patron's record, select Checkout under the Circulation section of the drop-down menu. The same options exist for searching for a patron as those in Millennium, including barcode, name, address, email, or other indices. Sierra does offer considerable enhancements when dealing with the results of your search. Sierra has a new display for the patron browse, quickly offering information on name, patron type, home library, patron messages, and many other record details. It also offers facets to aid in finding the right patron. Hovering over the eye icon will display additional patron information without the need to click to open the patron's record. The checkout function in Sierra retains the layout, tools, and actions that circulation staff are used to in Millennium. The upper area still displays brief patron information, and the lower portion of the screen shows transaction details. Like other areas of Sierra, the activity tabs have moved to the left and retain all the same functions of Millennium, and the eye icon offers additional patron information with a rollover of a mouse. Overrides behave similarly as they do in Millennium. If prompted to override, if the user does not have proper authorization, Sierra will ask you to input a user login with proper authorization, not requesting initials as Millennium did. The steps and options used in Millennium would be preserved in Sierra, including our unique list of predefined charges such as Young Adult Fresh Starts. While Sierra offers a much more modern look and feel, as well as some additional tools and features to enhance the user experience, Innovata's initial goal with this early version seems to have been to facilitate the transition for customers moving from Millennium to Sierra. Their new, more open architecture should allow for continued development both internal and external.